This 5-minute solution will show you how to fix iPhone battery health draining too fast issue. So if your iPhone battery health dropping first, just follow these easy and quick solutions to fix this issue. The first solution is go to your iPhone settings, scroll down, tap on battery, and here make sure to disable low power mode. Remember one thing, that do not turn on battery saver mode all time, because if you turn on low power mode or battery saver mode for all time, it will damage your iPhone battery. So disable this option and then check the issue. The second solution is again open your iPhone settings, scroll down, tap on battery health and charging, and here must enable optimized battery charging option from here. And the third step is use authentic Apple charger and accessories. If you're using third-party charger to charge your iPhone, it's really very harmful for your iPhone battery. So must use authentic Apple charger. And the last solution is do not use your iPhone during charge time. So if you plugged your iPhone in charging in this time, don't use your iPhone. That's how we can fix iPhone battery health draining too fast issue. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5 minute solution. See you in the next video.